Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in the Sinking City 2 game. So here follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. First fix, enable disable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the Sinking City 2 game. This is just an example. You have to right click on the Sinking City 2 game and then click on properties. Then go to controller tab and here first select enable Steam input and then restart the game, and after restarting the game check if the problem is solved or not. If not, then again go to the Sinking City 2 game properties, go to controller tab and this time select disable Steam input and then again restart the game and then check if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 2 is to press the Alt plus Enter keys. So try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the problem. Now check if the controller or gamepad is working in the Sinking City 2 game or not. Fix 3 is to disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. So other peripherals on your PC like third-party game controllers or any plug peripherals such as USB devices, pen drive, phone, camera or additional controllers, display, mouse, keyboard might conflict with the game. So remove such peripherals and then launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to use a wired controller. Maybe game have some bugs or glitches at present and your wireless controller is not working. So if you have wired controller, then connect it and then play the game as of now. So by following these fixes, I hope you can easily fix controller or gamepad not working in the Sinking City 2 game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.